remains in effect for the following locations in Texas: Aransas Islands, Aransas, B. Calhoun Islands, Calhoun, Coastal Calhoun, Coastal Clayford, Coastal New Aces, Coastal Rafario, Coastal San Patricio, Jim Wells, Clayburg Islands, Clayburg, Live Oak, New Aces Islands, New Aces, Rafario, and San Patricio. Tropical storm warning remains in effect. What? East to southeast winds 30 to 40 knots with gusts up to 55 knots and seas 11 to 16 feet. Where? Across all bays and waterways and then Gulf waters from Baton Bay to Port O'Connor. When? Tropical storm force winds possible from Tuesday morning until Tuesday afternoon. Impacts. Very strong winds will cause hazardous seas which could capsize or damage vessels and reduce visibility. Mariners should alter plans to avoid these hazardous conditions. Remain in port, seek safe harbor, alter course, and slash or secure the vessel for severe conditions. Heat index value.
Welp, there you got it, guys. Our tropical storm warning now in effect. It's starting to cloud up, actually. And just so you know, the reason you're not seeing no message is because the alert has already expired. It's already expired on my 12262 and my WR100. I don't even know if they toned it. It didn't even say EAS activation requested. But all CRP stations are doing this. Let's look at channel 6.
Texas coast. This system could become a tropical storm.
See, I'll do it here in a second.
Tropical storm conditions will be possible. Counties beginning tonight into Tuesday. Heavy rainfall and gusts will be possible in any rain band. Are possible. Flooding or run up to the dunes is likely, especially around high tide at 5:30 a.m. Tuesday. A tropical storm warning remains in effect for the following locations in Texas: Aransas Islands, Aransas, B. Calhoun Islands, Calhoun, Coastal Calhoun, Coastal Clayburg, Coastal New Aces, Coastal Rafario, Coastal San Patricio, Jim Wells, Clayburg Islands, Clayburg, Live Oak, New Aces Islands, New Aces, San Patricio. Tropical storm warning remains in effect. What? East to southeast winds 30 to 40 knots with gusts up to 50 exhausted and
Oh, I think, what the fuck else am I getting? I just lost that. I just lost it. Damn it.
morning until Tuesday afternoon. Impacts. Very strong winds will cause
There we go, we got it back.
which could capsize or damage vessels and reduce visibility. Mariners should also to avoid these hazardous conditions.
Channel 3. Whatever, you get the point. It's going through all CRP stations. I can try to get channel fucking 3. Nope, I'm getting an Austin San Antonio station. Oh, son of a bitch. Back cover came off. But as y'all can see, we got a tropical storm approaching and starting to cloud up. We might get some rain soon. But we'll see what it brings.
Winds 20 to 30 knots with gusts up to 45 knots and seas 8 to 13 feet. Where? Matagorda. Waters from Freeport to Matagorda, Ship Channel, Texas, out 20 nautical miles in waters from Freeport to Matagorda, Ship Channel, Texas, from 20 to 60 nautical miles.
I got the antenna fully fucking extended. Come on! Come back in, damn it! effect. This is channel.
Coastal waters from Freeport to Matagorda, Channel, Texas, now 20 nautical miles in waters from Freeport to Matagorda, Channel, Texas, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. When? Tonight into early tomorrow morning.
Bro, this is gonna be the worst EAS capture ever. Well, after EAS, but still, it's pretty fucking bad. You know what? Fuck it. Y'all get the main point. There is a tropical storm watch up near Houston. I forgot to mention that.
Nautical miles. Water from Port Aransas to Matagorda Channel from 20 to 60 nautical miles.
Knew it.
Until 3:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:44 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 29 nautical miles southwest of Brazos A110, moving west at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels and oil rigs, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Tropical storm warning remains in effect. What? Southeast winds 30 to 40 knots with gusts up to 55 knots and seas 9 to 14 feet. Where? Portions of Gulf of Mexico. When? Tropical storm force. The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a special marine warning for Baton Bay and Upper Canal coastal waters from Baton Bay to Port Aransas out 20 nautical miles, Corpus Christi and New Aces Bays, until 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:03 a.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Port Aransas to near Riviera Beach, moving west at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Riviera Beach, Flower Bluff, Packery Channel, Portland, Corpus Christi North Beach, Corpus Christi Naval Air Station, Port Aransas, Ingleside on the Bay, Malaquai Beach, and downtown Corpus Christi. Tropical storm warning remains in effect. What? East winds 25 to 35 knots with gusts up to 50 knots and seas 9 to 13 feet with occasionally higher waves to 16 feet.
Well, they decided to push another special marine warning. Okay. Tornado warning. CRP continues. Tornado warning. Tornado radar indicated. Hail.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Riviera Beach and Loyola Beach. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a special marine warning for Bathurst Bay and Upper Laguna
Well,
until 8:30 a.m.
there you got it. Tornado warning. It's going from some special marine warnings to tornado warning. That quick.
The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Claiborne County in south-central Texas.
Go somewhere else.
In south-central
If you're not going to do this,
southeastern
there's
San
not even
Francisco
any
County in south-central
Alright,
Texas.
so wait a second here.
3:45 p.m.
Okay,
Central
so
Daylight
here
Time.
we go.
At 12:44 p.m. Central
So
Daylight
on
Time,
diagram, it means
Doppler
let's
radar
draw,
indicated
what do the
thunderstorms
atoms
producing
look
heavy
like
rain
in a
across the
solid?
warned area.
Well, they look like this.
The
We're going to imagine
rainfall
this
rate
is our
is 1 to 2
sample,
inches in 1
and
hour.
I'm going to draw bigger atoms so that I can draw fewer of them. So what I'm trying to draw is that they're in a very orderly system. They're all right beside each other, and there's no space in between, and there's very little movement. That's what I'm trying to draw right
Flooding
there.
of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding
What are the
include
particles
Corpus
going to look like in the
Christi, Portland,
gas?
Robstown, Port Aransas, Driscoll,
Far apart
Corpus
from
Christi
each other.
International Airport,
And then all kind of like random intervals.
Cadmus Field, South Texas Botanical Garden,
I hope
Corpus
that doesn't
Christi
too
Country
evenly
Club,
distributed.
Kings Crossing Subdivision, Spawn
There
Hospital
you go,
South,
just kind of all over the
Atlanta Mall,
place,
Del
however
Mar
you
College
do best.
Windward Campus, Del Mar College Heritage Campus, Driscoll Children's Hospital, Cole Park and Bay Area Medical Center. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a flash flood warning for flood warning in effect from late Wednesday morning until early Thursday morning. What? Moderate flooding is forecast. Where? Oso Creek near Corpus Christi. When? From late Wednesday morning until early Thursday morning. Impacts. At 20.0 feet, moderate lowland flooding occurs from the headwaters near Violet Road, or Farm to Market 24, to Oso Bay. Secondary roads and low bridges near the creek are also flooded. Additional details. At 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday, the stage was 11.6 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late Wednesday morning, crest near 20.4 by Wednesday afternoon, then fall below flood stage early Thursday morning. Flood stage is 20.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is occurring. Where? A portion of South Texas, including the following counties: Jim Wells, Live Oak, Nueces, and San Patricio. When? Until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Low water crossings are inundated with water and may not be passed.
Oh boy.
Expect
Nope, I'm getting my
areas
fucking
of
ass inside now. Nope,
standing
fuck
water.
this shit.
Additional details.
When thunder roars, go indoors.
Central Daylight Time. Local law enforcement reported flooding in the warned area. Flooding is already occurring. Between 4 and 7 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Corpus Christi, Ellis, Robstown, Orange Grove, San Patricio, Midway, Alfred, South La Paloma, Alfred, West
Hi,
Hill,
kitty.
Sadia, Bronzer, Banquetti, Ticalote, Troy, Agua Dulce, Lake Alice, and North San Pedro. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Keep children away from storm drains, culverts, creeks, and streams. Water levels can rise rapidly and sweep children away. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Tropical
As I head the fucking side as a thunderstorm approaches, we'll see if it goes severe.
Warning now in effect from Wednesday early afternoon to early Thursday morning. What? Moderate flooding is forecast. Where? Oso Creek near Corpus Christi.
Oh, they extended the river flood
Wednesday,
warning.
Early afternoon to early Thursday morning. Impact at 20.0 feet. Moderate lowland flooding occurs from the headwaters near Violet Road or Farm to Market 24 to Oso Bay. Secondary roads and low bridges near the creek are also flooded. Additional details. At 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday, the stage was 13.5 feet. Forecast. The river will rise above flood stage Wednesday early afternoon. Crest near 20.3 feet Wednesday late afternoon through early evening. Then drop below flood stage early Thursday morning. Flood stage is 20.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Tropical Depression Harold.
I figured I'd give the WR100 some exposure because it hasn't gotten hardly as much exposure as the 12262 or the HH has on this compilation, which I want to show y'all something. These are the highest statistics today. The highest wind gust was 44 miles an hour, which occurred at 11:11 a.m. Highest rain rate, 7.68 inches per hour. Highest heat index, 99. Let's see when that was. 12:11 a.m. That was before landfall. Highest barometric pressure was at 12:12 a.m. before landfall. If we take a look at the lowest stats, the lowest barometric pressure was 29.78 inches, which occurred at 11:48 a.m., which was, I believe, a few hours before landfall. So far today, 3.56 inches of rain have fallen, and the lowest wind chill was 72 degrees, which also occurred at 11:43 a.m. Much needed rain for South Texas, I might say. These are the current conditions. Yeah, it's going offshore now, and the barometric pressure is coming back up. So I guess the storms are out of the area. The only thing that's in effect is a river flood warning.